Now I'm over here in my father's house. Got the car in the garage. We got out the tow truck. So now we in the garage. Now we about to jack it up. We're about to take a look at the starter. And he finna look at the electrical system to the tester to see if it's an electrical issue. Cause I'm thinking it's a starter now because that's why it ain't cranking. But we got a new battery put up in here. I gotta repop it. Hold on. Got the key. And he had my the guy at the battery place. It's changed the remote control, so now I can open the door from the remote control. See? And then I can chirp it. But this right here, this one right here opens the door. This one locks it. So open. So that worked now. And pop the hood so you can see. And I did a long vlog. We did like a 50-minute vlog. I went live too. That's on YouTube. First part of it. But I'm gonna show you the battery that we replaced. Saved us a lot of money. My father bought me the battery for a birthday present. This is just the fuse box right here. This is a brand new battery. So now we're about to jack it up and look at the starter. I'll see you shortly, baby. Love you. See y'all later. Alright, y'all. We in my father's garage now. See, this is a real working garage. Somewhat like CJ on 32, but got a lot of stuff in here to work with. We got it up on jack stands now. We're about to look at the starter. And I'll do some electrical tests on this thing to see what's really going on. Let's take a look at that.
So where's the other one gonna be? Is it gonna be on the top? Or is it gonna be, I bet it's gonna be right there on the top. I'm looking at the starter bolt.
Oh, okay.
There's one right here. You see it? Okay, are you looking under here?
Yeah.
You see where I got my finger at?
Yeah.
That bolt right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's the starter bolt on the bottom.
Okay.
You see? I got big hands. Right behind this hose where my finger pointed at. Can you see where my finger is up there?
Yeah.
That's the starter. So we gotta move this bolt right here, because these two hoses is bracketed to the side of the transmission housing.
Okay.
You see? This is the trans right here. And this is the engine, so it's at the back, it's on the side of the engine. That
Okay.
bracket. That bracket there. This bracket here is on the side of the engine. So first we got to move what he moved. And this here must be broke. Because it ain't in the slot. I'm looking at this plastic here.
Probably when it got hit, then it twisted the car around.
Let's see it to the front or the back.
The back, but this car already been in a couple accidents before.
Oh, okay. Because this supposed to be some more shit across here. See this broke?
Yeah.
So I guess it must have been some shit coming across here. Yeah, because this is broke. Okay, this is what holds your radiator and your condenser for your air conditioner in. Okay, now looking at how this is. It's out of line. See this here bracket here?
Yeah.
This black piece coming all the way up?
Mm-hmm.
Right here?
Yeah.
That's supposed to be straight. Like this, like my arm coming down. And this here is supposed to come out that way. This condenser,
Yeah.
that's your air conditioner condenser. And your radiator is behind it. That's supposed to be coming down like this. So when they had the accident, they just straightened it out enough and put another bump and shit on. And they didn't pull this shit all the way forward like it's supposed to. Okay, let me see, the fan turning free there. Okay, the fan turning free. I'm turning it with my hand. Okay, that shit is in wrong, cause all this shit was broke.
Well, that was the back of the car.
No, I'm talking about all this. No, I'm saying, did you say there's been some accidents before? You got it.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. There was front end damage. Did you see all this plastic and shit?
Yeah.
It's broke.
Mm-hmm.
All that's supposed to be right here in my way. This here, they just managed to able to get some up there to the hood latch. And this here rod right here,
Yeah.
all of this, that's bent. All this here supposed to came more. This see where this is up there?
Mm-hmm.
See how it's tapered coming back this way on the angle. It's supposed to come straight down. Straight down. All this is supposed to be straight like this.
Okay.
So all this, you see how this is bent?
Yeah.
See, all that's supposed to be straight, and they ain't supposed to have that bend in it. That's something that we could do in the summertime when we go to the junkyard.
Yeah.
We find all this in piece, all this plastic shit,
Yeah.
and we put it back right like it's supposed to be, and line this shit up. Then we be straight, cause you have a lot of rattling and shit. But this here might bind up on some later. Now we gonna need, they're like a 12 or 13. Okay, so I left them other tubes in but we bought the tube chest out here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we need 12 for that, let's see. And we're gonna need a 13 or a 14. But here, I can get on there with a small ratchet.
So y'all see the work about to be done.
Yeah.
We'll take the start off.
This on the road, man. You can't mess around. What time is it?
Right now it's 7:39.
Okay. So we might not be able to get no start tonight. We can get one tomorrow if we need it.
Alright.
I put my hand over like that,
Okay.
but the ratchet got to go over there with the socket. And you got to have room to pop that motherfucker
Okay.
so you can get that bolt out. And these got to be clean out the motherfucker way. But I'm looking at, once I move this, I'm looking at, this is the bottom of the mass after. See all this shit right here?
Yeah.
All this shit,
Mm-hmm.
that's on the bottom. And here's the other piece to it over here. Let me move this shit out the way. On up through here. You get a lot more room to work with when this is out.
Okay.
But it's gonna drain some fucking oil and shit.
That's cool. We got
And then I can put this shit back in there.
Well, we gotta change the filter probably too.
No, I ain't gonna change no damn filter. All I gotta do is
Oh, okay.
put this shit in the pan. You gotta clean the pan out. All this shit going back in the car.
Alright. Okay, that's cool. Okay.
But I gotta get my squeeze of clamps and squeeze them motherfuckers down and then work the hose and shit so I can get the oil to come down out. If there's some oil going up, it's oil in there.
Okay.
And then hopefully we can be able to get our hand, like I say, over on the other side.
Okay.
And once we do that, then we push the starter back, turn it around,
Mm-hmm.
drop it down so we can work on the wires and shit.
Okay. Alright, y'all probably can see.
Huh?
I'm vlogging now. I'm vlogging now. I finally took the bolts out for the housing of the starter. And you gotta move these two right here, these two hoses. Those are the hoses that goes to the oil filter. Well, you know, so for pretty much for the valve for the engine for the oil. And you're gonna unclamp those so you can move those out the way because you gotta go to the back part to get to the second bolt so we can drop the starter down. The starter's right there. Y'all probably can see it right there. That fat white piece right there, kind of dusty white, that's the starter right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these two hoses apart, drain the oil in a pan, and then after that, you're gonna attach it. So we'll be back after we get the starter off. Alright, so we got the starter off. So this is the part we're gonna change out. That's the starter. Check to see if there's some corrosion on it.
I'm a bench. My bench test is
As long as it ain't coming from the car. That's
Shit, but that's like.
my bench test is asleep.
easy.
Hyundai
If you
Kia
were wrong with the door closed, we would
12
see
volt
it.
1.2 kilowatts.
It would be in the garage.
Made in Mexico.
Closer than outside, he would be using out.
But what would be different is the garage connected to the house, so. Maybe a little bit different.
That drive sound good.
I don't.
I mean, 'cause I feel like.
That was it. We got the start out.
Garage connected to
So
the
next
house.
we're gonna test it. Then we're gonna probably swap it out and see. That was the problem, y'all. Yeah. Hey man, I'm just gonna keep it 100 with y'all, man. That's for all y'all niggas out there, man. That's saying I ain't the OG, the original. Hey man, you's a duplicate. You's a duplicate. You's a dupe, nigga. You's a duplicate, nigga. You's a duplicate. You's a dupe, nigga. I'm the original motherfucking OG, nigga. Yeah, don't forget to get your custom t-shirts, you dig what I'm talking about, from LCDAONE. You see the custom prints all over the shirt, you dig what I'm talking about. We ain't playing no game. The custom sweater, you dig what I'm talking about, yeah. With the back end print on the same. I got the t-shirts as well. You dig, unisex, long sleeve. You dig, now we got the full zip up. You dig what I'm talking about, stood up with the hood on it. Stood up with the back print as well. You dig what I'm talking about, we ain't playing no game. And then I got the full zip up, custom with the pockets on it and stuff. You dig what I'm talking about, back print and sleeve and print. You dig what I'm talking about, prints everywhere. Then I got the yoga pants. You dig what I'm talking about, joggers. You dig what I'm talking about for men. And I got the crop new t-shirts for the ladies. You dig what I'm talking about, look at that. She look comfortable with it. Then I got the sports bra. You dig what I'm talking about, get the sports bra. You dig what I'm talking about, the back print. You dig what I'm talking about, the back print. You dig what I'm talking about, we ain't playing no game. And then I got the yoga pants for the ladies. You dig what I'm talking about, biker booty shorts. You dig what I'm talking about, so that put that piece can round out. You dig what I'm talking about. Then I got the yoga leggings. You dig what I'm talking about, for ladies. So when she jogging and everything. And I got the capris right there with the custom LC right between the thighs. You dig, and I got the custom socks. You dig what I'm talking about. You ain't gonna find no more socks like that nowhere on the planet. And then last but not least, I got the LCDAONE jersey. You dig what I'm talking about. Then I got the back print on there. Look at that back print, look good. Then I got the Illmatic one, my street ball jersey with the 2-fold on it. And then I got the little sleeve pull-up bag right there for the ladies. You dig on drawstring bag. And then I got the real backpack. You know what I'm talking about, LCDAONE. Look at the back, look at the front. You dig, look at the top. You dig what I'm talking about. Everything is looking good. You dig what I'm talking about in LCDAONE's neighborhood. And then I got the extra iPhone 10 case. You dig what I'm talking about. And then I got the iPhone 6 case, 7, 8, 9. Just order what you want. And then I got the custom print. You dig what I'm talking about, LCDAONE, baby. And then I got the custom mug when you want to get drunk and drink and stuff to my stream. And then I got the snuggle pillow when you want to get snuggle with your lady. Yeah.